Hey, great! So we're on to number patterns, which is a gateway to arithmetic sequencing. We'll get to that in Chapter 8. Chapter 1, page 17, is simple rule. In this case, it's the numbers 3, 5, 7, and 9. It's skip counting, and the number pattern is the difference between the numbers. So difference between 5 and 3, or 5 minus 3 is 2, and 7 minus 5 is 2. The last number we have in our pattern is 9, so we're going to add 2, making it 11. 11 minus 9 is still 2, carrying out the rule. I want you to finish the next 3. Note that one of them has negative numbers, so good luck with that one. Remember, you're counting, in this case, backwards. So we'll let you finish that, and we'll move on to the next animated video page.